Leak-proof, lavender scented, made from recycled plastics. Earth-rated dog poop bags is a greener alternative to other plastic-based doggy poop bags. However, very importantly to know, these bags are not biodegradable. You may be fooled into thinking they are biodegradable, but they are not. The biggest plus from using these bags is that they minimize mess and dirty poo smells. The bags are literally leak-proof, unless you accidentally slash it open, of course. Unwanted smells are not experienced with the lavender-scented bags, and the leak-proof part means that no unwanted smells escape. The bags can be easily rolled off and detached from the roll, coming in a number of different sizes, and an option for an unscented bag as well. Small enough to fit in your pocket, earth-rated dog poop bags are a good choice. However, the fact that they are not biodegradable is disappointing. The cardboard packaging is recycled, the bag is recycled, but it would mean you have to remove your dog's poop before recycling the bag, but that goes against the whole point of the product. The earth-rated dog poop bags are definitely worth purchasing as a greener alternative to other plastic-based products on the market. Available in a number of sizes, earth-rated dog poop bags is worth a purchase in my eyes. Retailing around the £10 mark makes it very cost-effective as well. Links are listed below.